The dependence of acceleration due to gravity g on the distance r from the center of Earth assumed to be a sphere of radius r from the of uniform density as shown in figure S. So Rm is to find out the variation of acceleration due to gravity distance r from the center of Earth. So we can just consider that Earth is like a solid sphere, and we know that inside a solid sphere the value of acceleration due to gravity at the center is going to be nothing but 0, and at a distance r from the center inside, so we know that this value is g is equal to gm into r divided by r cube, so it is directly proportional to r. And on the surface it is going to be gm by capital letter R square, where capital letter R is the radius of Earth, and outside it is going to be gm divided by small letter r square, or it is inversely proportional to square of distance. So if you are drawing the graph which is showing the relation between acceleration due to gravity with respect to distance, so initially it is going to be like directly proportional to r, center it is 0, then it is directly proportional to r, it will be a straight line. So on the surface it will have its maximum value, then it will decrease, or it is inversely proportional to r square, and at infinite it is going to be equal to 0.